guys, we're here at Ross, and I saw the cutest Halloween costumes. Did they move them? Oh my god, there's no way somebody bought all of those costumes. There's a little wolf. He can be a police officer. Oh my god.
The city hadn't like have a size.
He would probably be like super small, medium, because this is extra small, and that's probably too small for him. Addie, he could be a frog. What is this?
It's like a onesie.
Oh, I'll let you look.
Look at that.
Oh, Mama's little man. Oh my god. Toy Story. Buzz Lightyear. Oh my god, he could be Buzz Lightyear. It's up to you, Addie.
What?
Oh, that's not Buzz Lightyear.
It's not Buzz Lightyear.
What is this?
It's the little squeaky toys from.
Yeah, I forgot. I say police officer. Look at that little police officer.
Oh. The little hat.
It's so cute, Eddie.
The one thing that's gonna be hard is probably like putting it on.
Yeah, he's gonna have a fit. This is a hot dog. That one would be a little too big for him. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's up to you. I think the smaller, the better. What is that? It's a Jessica Simpson sweater. Oh my god. So cute. Oh, I think is this a bee? He can be a bumblebee. Oh my god. Alright, I think we're doing first dibs. First dibs on the
I was wondering what happened.
Police officer. Look at him.
The hat is killing me.
The hat is killing me. I can't. All right, I'm at Michael's looking for Addison some yarn because I'm making her own little garland for Halloween since she's doing the pink Halloween. I just couldn't find any garland that were pink that would be really cute for, you know, this little idea. So this is the color that I need. Like this baby pink. But I need it in like a thicker yarn, like this. I need it thick like this. So let's see what I can find. Okay, so I came over on this side. That's probably a little too pink. We need like a soft baby pink. What about this one? It's like a mixture of pink though. Let's keep looking. If I was into knitting, this would be my area. Because I just love colors. Okay, they have smaller packs. I may need to try Dollar Tree first because they do carry yarn and it's $1.25. So, I'm not having too much luck here. Since $1.99, it's still thin. I don't know, guys. I'll be back. start to get some light in this whammy. It's a one-man's team today, minus Marley. About to start painting this little area here. Today I'm probably gonna start with the mantle. I don't know if I'm gonna get to the black paint today, but we are painting this area black. I'm just so excited to see how it's gonna look. I know it's gonna look awesome. The table is down. I'm sorry, the TV is down on the table. Clenching my butt cheeks about that because I do have a toddler that likes to run around. So let me set the camera up and get to work. Got all of the mantle painted. That was really easy to do, actually. We're not keeping this tile, but I still don't want to get it dirty because y'all know how I like to change my mind about stuff. So I'm just gonna tape it and finish up that trim a little bit. I may have to move this out. Yeah. So let's take this off and finish up. So we ran into a little bit of a snag with the bedroom floors. So we'll be back next week with the update with that. But I wanted to convert my IKEA dresser into an idea that I had that would match the small end table that I made. So we went back to Lowe's and got to work.
cracking.
Check up on it.